Egg prices are up. The homesteaders saw this coming. The ripple effects that tariff will have on your household is simply the more expensive cost of goods. And if that trend continues, ultimately that will result in the unavailability of goods. As we increase prices, foreign countries are likely to increase their prices too. And then we, in turn, increase the tariffs, and it becomes a trade war. The homestead is immune from these tariff problems. Here's 3 ways that we protect ourselves. The farmer and the shepherd are the most resilient professions because they've always got something to eat, is because we've cut out all the middlemen. Each time food changes hands, it increases in price. Each time someone buys something and trades it, they want a little bit of profit for themselves. So by eliminating the middleman, we can create great value for our customers in the highest quality produce. The third reason is we amplify any energy that we're given, whether that's money, fuel. We bring it into the system and bounce it around as many times as we can to create the most abundance before that energy leaves the system in buying materials or buying fuel. We bring the most amount of value by keeping that energy velocity in the system that's designed the way that nature intended it. So if you're worried about rising prices because of tariffs, you don't have to be completely off-grid to be benefiting by being your own producer. Here's 3 steps to make sure that you insulate yourself from tariffs. 1, start composting. We've been over this millions of times, but composting is how you make sure that your dollar goes the furthest. From you're buying food at the store anyway, and make sure that you recoup every dollar of that by enriching your soil. Step 2, take that compost and start a garden. The seeds that you buy at the store will compound exponentially into feeding your family the highest quality produce, and close that loop. So now you're going from the garden to your plate to the compost back to the garden, and building that abundant, self-enriching ecosystem that we call regenerative agriculture. Step 3, implement animal livestock through rotational grazing systems. Chickens, goats, cows, whatever it is you like to eat, even rabbits, can be introduced into your system to increase fertilization in your garden, to increase the protein density of your meals, and make sure that we're further eliminating steps of going to the grocery store and those middlemen that make food expensive. So with all that being said, you have to start today to secure your future. They say the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The same applies with your self-sufficient journey. We're here to help you along the way. We've been doing this for 18 years. Take from our blood, sweat, and tears so that you can do it more efficiently. And by it, I mean build abundance for yourself, your family, and your community. We're here to help you. Join the homestead community where you can meet like-minded individuals that are helping each other succeed by getting back to the landscape. You've heard the saying, it takes a village. This is that village. We're waiting on you to join. And right now, we're doing a bundle where you get the Ultimate Chicken Mastery, access to the Homestead Mastermind, which is a weekly call every Wednesday where we're sharing ideas. And then you also get access to the forum of like-minded individuals and homesteaders